If you're looking to set up Proof on Shopify, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to integrate Proof with Shopify so you can boost your store's credibility and increase conversions. Trust me, you won't want to miss how easy it is to implement and see instant results. First things first, what is Proof? It's a tool designed to display real-time notifications that show potential customers what's happening on your site, like recent purchases or activity. This builds social proof, helping new visitors trust your brand faster. On Shopify, Proof can help turn passive visitors into paying customers. To start setting up Proof on Shopify, you first need to install the Proof app. From your Shopify dashboard, go to the App Store and search for Proof. You'll see the app pop up. Click on it, then hit Add App to begin the installation process. Once the app is installed, you'll need to create an account or log in if you already have one. When you're logged in, the first thing you'll do is connect Proof to your Shopify store. It's super easy. Just follow the on-screen prompts to grant the necessary permissions. Now that Proof is connected, it's time to set up your first campaign. You'll land on the Proof dashboard where you can choose from different campaign types like recent activity or store-wide campaigns. These will show notifications like 10 people bought this in the last 24 hours or we've had 5 orders in the last hour. You can even choose a template or create a custom design based on your brand style. Next, it's time to customize your campaign. You can adjust the display settings, including how often notifications pop up, where they show up on the page, and how long they stay visible. If you want to highlight specific products or promotions, you can do that too. This is where you'll see how Proof adds an extra layer of urgency to your site, showing visitors they aren't the only ones interested in your products. Once you've set up your campaign, it's important to monitor its performance. Head over to the Reports section in the Proof app where you can track metrics like how many people saw the notifications, how many clicked, and if it led to sales. These insights help you understand which notifications are working and allow you to tweak your campaigns for even better results. The beauty of Proof is how seamless it integrates with Shopify, and it's a powerful tool to increase sales with minimal effort. It works across all Shopify plans, so whether you're running a small store or scaling up, Proof helps build trust and urgency. Want to try Proof for free? You can get an exclusive extended trial by using the first link below in the description. Don't miss out on this special offer. It's the perfect chance to test out Proof's full potential and see how much it can impact your Shopify store's conversion rates. So there you have it. Setting up Proof on Shopify is simple and quick. If you want to take your Shopify store to the next level and increase your sales, integrating Proof is a no-brainer. Make sure to grab that exclusive free trial and let Proof help you create the social proof that converts.